Hi everyone, welcome to WizBusters. I'm Emma and today I'm going to show you how to extract text after a space or a comma in Google Sheets or Excel. So let's begin. We have a table here with the names of actors from the Avengers movies, and we want to extract the last names, that is, all the characters after this space. So in the first row, we want to extract the last name, Hemsworth. In the second row, we want to extract Johansson, etc. So to extract the text after a space, we need to use two functions. One, the mid function, and two, the find function. You can check out my previous videos on the mid function and the find functions. Now recall that the mid function extracts text from inside a string. So let's take a look at the first row. So if we type the mid function here equal mid, open parenthesis, firstly we see that there are three parameters. Firstly, we need to tell Google Sheets from which text we want to extract characters. In this case, the text is in this cell. So we just click this cell to reference the text. Next, the second parameter is asking, tell me where the first character you want to extract located. The first character is after this space. So let's count where the first character is located. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's in the 7th position. So the first character starts at the 7th position. Then the third parameter is extract length. You can either calculate this or you can put a large number here, like 256. Because a large number, like 256, the length of the rest of the string is not that long and it will automatically extract until the end of the string. So let's put 256 here. We press enter, we've got Hemsworth. So if we use this formula for rows 2 and 3, we get some of the first name and a space and the last name. Therefore, the second parameter value has to be different. So for the second row, let's count where the J in the last name is located. So that's 4 and 4, 8, 9. J is located in the 10th position. So let's put 10 as the second parameter here. We got Johansson. And for the third row, where is the O located? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 in the 11th position. So let's put 11 here. Now we've gotten Olsen. So let's use the mid function. If we use the mid function, we will put mid and we referenced B7. We put 7th position and 256 to get Hemsworth. To get Johansson, we referenced B8. We put the 10th and 256. In Elizabeth Olsen, we referenced B9 and we put the 11th position and 256. So notice 7, 10, and 11. Now we don't want to do this manually. We want to tell Google Sheets or Excel to give us all the letters after the space. And guess what? This is where the find function comes to our rescue again. So let's use the find function. So if you're not familiar with the find function, please check out my previous video that's dedicated to the find function with examples and tips. So recall that when we're using the find function, we type in equal find, open parenthesis, and there are three parameters. The first thing we're asking is what we want to find. Well, in this case, we want to find a space. The second parameter, we tell Google Sheets from where do we want to find this space, and we want to find it in this cell. So we reference that cell, and our starting position is 1. We can leave that out for default. Let's apply it to the 3. So the space is in position 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the space is in position 9, and the space is in position 10. If we compare 6 and the second parameter here 7, 9 and the second parameter here 10, 10 and the second parameter 11, we can find a relationship. We can notice that the last name begins one position more than the position of the space. If we took the function that we have here on +1, we should get number 7. So let's take that function, find the space in this cell, starting from position 1, and we add 1. Therefore, let us put this all together. If we could replace the second parameter with this function, then we should be able to get our combination of the mid-find function. So let's do that. Over here, we have mid B7, 7, 256. So let's copy this formula without the equal sign. Copy. And let's put it in as the second parameter here. So we paste it. So now we've got 1 parameter, 2, and 3. Press enter, and let's drag the formula down. There we go. So we've got Hemsworth, Johansson, Olsen, Renner, etc. It gives us the last name in each cell. Yay, we did it. So as a recap, the formula to extract the last name or the text after a space using the mid function is this. This here is the first parameter, this here is the second parameter, and this here is the third parameter. You can replace the cells B7 for your specific cell, which references the text. And don't forget to put an equal sign before the function name. Thank you for watching and learning. Give this video a thumbs up. If you found it helpful, hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video.